here in Siargao. Today is May 23, guys. It's Friday, and our itinerary for today is we're going to Sohoton or Bukas Grande. So this is our highlight na tour na sobrang excited namin kasi madaming activity kaming gagawin and maganda yung lugar, guys. So yeah, we're all excited. Inantay na lang namin yung sundo namin. It's already past 7 a.m. guys. Yeah, so last night we just had inuman sa isang bar doon sa Sibol at saka, and then after lumipat kami sa beach, sa Siargao Beach Club again kasi maganda yung theme nila kagabi. It's 80s and 90s party. So maganda yung music doon, guys. Maganda yung place. So yeah, guys, I'll update you later kapag nasa Sohoton na kami. See you! It's just 1.5 hour, guys, and uminit na naman.
Ay, init na.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan kanina.
Wala imod, wala sweater mo ma.
At ngayon, sobrang init na.
Wala sweater mo.
So, nandito yung tour guide namin. So, yung kinuha namin is private, guys.
Hi, welcome to the vlog.
Aray ko. So, sasakay pa kami ng van. Ay. Sasakay pa ng van, guys. Iba pala dito yung boat. May van pa. Asa pa dito?
I-tour pa ta sa Socorro.
Mag-tour daw sa Socorro.
Joke lang. Mapatransfer ta sa port. Sa port, sa Pampanga.
Okay. Mag-transfer daw sa port, guys. Hindi pa
Ben,
pala
bato
itong
mo.
port.
Asa?
Did you know that Socorro is part of Siargao?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yeah. Because Siargao has 9 municipalities, and then Socorro is the separate of 9 municipalities. Ito lang po talaga yung
Separate.
yung separate island madam. So yung 8 municipalities mo is connected din lang sa may Siargao. Okay. Then Socorro has 14 barangays. So Barangay Navarro, Rizal, and Taro. So these 3 barangays the center of our Luzon, Socorro. Then sa ngayon po madam, nandito po tayo sa barangay Paco sa Inter. Since doon po kasi sa may Socorro Port is malalaki po yung ating Delipado po. Kaya nandito po tayo. Inside po po. So by the way, we are taking via land tour nga po pala. Naka-schedule po kasi yung papuntang schedule is schedule, bali alternate po. So sa ngayon po is via land tour. So bukas ng schedule namin. And then by the way, this is Sohoton sign. Let's do this one. Yeah. So Sohoton sign, this is the entrance and also the exit. So no other exit but it is one po. Kasi game po siya. And this is the free beach attraction inside Sohoton po. Ito yung cliff diving, tagupan po ang stick. Yes. Okay, so itong tatlo po is, ito po yung may experience po inside Sohoton.
Isang lagusan lang.
Oo. Ito po yung entrance and exit. Ito po yung sa likuran.
What if high tide?
So for high tide po madam, hindi po kayo makakapunta. So submerge po.
Submerge.
Oo. Pero sa ngayon po is low tide.
Low tide. Perfect.
Hindi naman po kami magpapapunta po dito.
Low tide. Nice, nice.
And this, by the way, ito po yung pre-beach activity. So first is yung English jellyfish. So by the way, klase is English jellyfish po tayo dito. Pag Monrad jellyfish and spotted jellyfish.
Yes.
Okay, so
Jellies.
make sure when you touch the jellyfish, you wash your hand first before touching your face, especially to our eye. Because compared to our normal skin, sensitive po kasi yung face natin, especially our eye. Although friendly po siya, pero may contact skin po siya. Kaya pagkahawak po kayo ng jellyfish, wash po tayo.
Okay.
And then, yun po yung first activity nito. So let's proceed to our second activity nito in cliff diving. So for cliff diving, what you have to do is to get inside the cave, and then not climbing, and then the only exit is to jump off.
How high?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, the height of our cliff diving is 10 feet plus your height. Second option is 12 feet plus your height.
12 feet. Nubo lang.
Doon sita. Kasi dapat slide na sa mga
So don't worry po kasi may dalawang tour guide po kayo inside zone.
Yes.
So sila po yung mag-a-assist nyo the whole duration of your tour. Ako po kasi isang dagdagatan baby sa tour po ako. So sila po yung mag-assist you po the whole duration. By the way, the whole duration of your tour as a maximum of 2 hours and a minimum of 1 minute. To enjoy the adventure attractions. So, for cliff diving, there's no turning back po kasi before.
Sa tita, wag kang
Tita, walang turning back, tita.
Uwi na ako.
Ha?
Uwi na ako.
Wala daw slide ko eh.
Zipline.
Wala pong zipline.
Hindi ka lang kasama.
No turning back. So, pag light time kasi madami kasi ito na noise light and store. Kaya tinatawag ko siya kagupan ko for store. So, for option ko, luminous water po siya, speaking for those who are white become whiter, and for those who are black become white. Kasi nakaglow po kasi sila. So,
Guys.
yun po, it's a luminous water. So, for those who are white become whiter, and those who are black become white.
Muna kami mag-stay.
Hindi na kayo uuwi.
Yes. Nice.
So, yun po for sagupan ko. And then, after your solo po, you're gonna go back po sa may Dagatan Resort. So, for Dagatan Resort, may mga activity din po natin doon, like sliding, water slide, may cave diving, din meron din po doon, dispatch kayak, and paddleboard. So, for Bistro Kayak, rest po siya magkakaroon.
Asa to lunch?
Sa Dagatan
Dagatan.
Resort, oo. So, after your solo, balik po kayo sa may Dagatan Resort para po sa lunch. By the way, our lunch is a full of 5 cents lang.
Yeah.
May pork, may chicken,
Gusto lato.
may fruits, may biko, may apple.
Saang, lobster, shrimp.
Lobster, I don't like lobster. Pero shrimp is meron po.
Pusit na, pusit.
Pusit parang hindi ko alam alam. Hindi ko kasi ako ang nag-market for
Hindi siya chef.
Tingnan nila natin.
Tingnan na lang natin mamaya. Guys, we're here at
Dagatan Dairy Zoo.
Dagatan. It's a paradise. Wow. Kira ka?
Yes.
Doka ra? Sleepy.
Fishing.
Hi guys! We're just waiting for our bangka. Wala pa yung bangka namin guys. So dito kami sa waiting area nila and then namimigay sila ng suman, libre guys. So it's already 11 na guys, wala pa yung bangka namin. At madami naman yung activity dito guys. Rex?
Hi!
We didn't wait at all for it to walk us, okay? We just got walked off the
Careful!
Why separate?
Okay, dito muna tayo. Kasi maghintay muna natin.
Taas ko yung ano nila,
Mga segundo musulod na ta. Alihok ko ang ulo. Ay sayang ang bato. Okay. Now this morning, no, I would like to introduce the entrance. Welcome to the entrance of Southern Cove. Head down please. And then smile lang ta. Smile lang kita. Dong, babag ta dong. Oh, stay. Head down, please. Oh my God. Stay lang. Cellphone, ma'am. I-ready pala yung cellphone, ma'am. So, lang mo. Okay, everybody sit properly. Okay, now this morning, eyes on the board. Yes, another. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, crispy. 1, 2, 3, simplicity. Tranquility. Okay, now this morning, no, we are now inside of Southern Cove. Everybody, clap your hand, please. Hi. Okay, now, remember, Horseshoe, ha? That is also a marker, no, inside of this cove. Kaya diri sa sulod sa kung nangikaingon, doon na tayo kanak o na 71 hectares inside. And then remember ha, Sohoton Cove, no other exit is only the entrance. So after we will explore inside, no? Mubalik lang ihapunta diha sa entrance. That is our exit. And then pag exit na to, pag dili na nato makita, it means we're losing this area. So if we lose this area, mukanta lang na from this moment.
From this moment,
Kaya dili ta baka lukwa gyud pag dili na to makita si Horseshoe. And then Horseshoe also, no? Ano, ang Sohoton Cove also, this place, no? Lahi ni siya sa ubang ecotourism, especially in Siargao. Kaya dito sa Siargao natin mga ecotourism over there but unlimited to explore. But na ako mention gani ha around this Snoring Cave. Ato ni siyang giuna kay walay tao. O dito sa Snoring Cave dabi ka daghang tao. So we will explore first here, no. This is called Bagukob Cavern and also Cliff, no. So yes ma'am, that is the entrance, no. That is a shallow. Maglakaw lang ta pasulod dito. At then inside no natay minimal. Akin eh? Balhin. Uy, dali.
Ato mapasagdan na mo ma.
Tama din.
Ito ning smile.
God.
Okay lang. Okay, dili mo tanan kay mag-groupix mo. Di basta-basta ning adong photographer sir. Galing pa doon na sir sa ABCBN sir.
Wari photographer sa ABCBN.
Tanggal lang ma'am kaya gilang manager nagpa-picture.
Grabe ito parang gwapo-gwapa. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, delicious. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, fabulous. Siargao. Siargao, Siargao. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, crispy. Okay, this is a video. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Crispy! Okay! Ano pa ka ito? Sharo! Gusto din kasabot! Oh my God! As... Pagsalin, anak, para sa jellyfish, cellphone na sa itong gamiton kay ka na. May bato. May bato diha, ma'am. Sayang ang bato. Dili ang tiin. So, dili lang sa bayan. Stalagmite and stalactites. Balik ko na po control. Stalagmite and stalactites. Okay, so, okay, remember, if the stalagmite and stalactite meet each other, that is called stalagmites. Okay, diriya ka. Diha mo tanan, kato yung background si stalagmite o stalactite. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, what namut?
Wait pa.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, delicious. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, fabulous. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, large. Isa pa nga. Nakakan, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, spaghetti. Last shoot ha. 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh my God! Crispy! Starting here, ha! Sa babaw! Sa bus! We love Sohoton! Yes, ma'am. Mag-receive kita best. Rodil, dapat sa cellphone. Bayad na sa no. May problema mo to, so. Ay, buti fruit na eh. Oh my God. Mayo may gituslog na lang ako. Mayo may gituslog na lang. Oh my God. Kamu wala mo na katahay. Ay, grabe. Pastilan, ginawa ko malitan dito na. Senior na mo na mag-line of text. Pastilan, mag-inay dito na. Sira, oh my God, crispy. Uluhan, sayang ba ito? Wati ang cellphone. Ronel, partner, wati ang cellphone. Wati ang cellphone.
One minute and 27 seconds.
Ga-pray pa siya.
2 minutes and 9 seconds.
2 minutes na ang video.
2,
1.
Ma'am, bumba na ma'am.
Sige na. Nauban sila. Ay, ayun, alay. Lalay, di ka mo ibalik na lang lang.
Hirap ka naman.
Live, 4 minutes na live.
One eternity later.
Got 1,000 things to do, and your phone keeps buzzing through. Just unplug and be free. In this life there's so much rush, all the pressure feels too much. Just unplug and be free. Don't you stress now, just be free. The good times roll, don't you worry. Let it go, just let the good times roll.
One, go! Hip hip! How are you? Oh my God, he's starting here, Arson. How are you? Okay, pag-abot niya, MLC, oh hi! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh hi! Iso, sir, how are you? I love you! How are you?
Amazing!
Oh my God, how are you, sir? How are you?
Babu!
How are you?
Fabulous!
Oh, hi! Grabe! Okay! Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Oh my God! Okay, oh hi! palo, sir.
We are here in Jellyfish Sanctuary. Yes. Woo. Yeah, time to dive. Time to dive, guys. Hi guys, we are done with our tour. It's lunchtime. So it's almost 1:30 in the afternoon, guys. So nasa floating cottage tayo. So naka-private package kami. And the food is here. Is I Love Sohoton. Hey. Let's eat! Bon appetit! Kermit.
Moni.
Hi guys, we are here in Kermit, Siargao.
Yes, with the family.
One of the
With
best,
Alexander Allen Villarreal.
one of the best pizza in town.
Yes.
Maulan na gabi, guys.
Maulawan na gabi. Maulawan.
Oh, see? Look at the vibe, Rex. Kermit.
Kermit.
Nice.
Dapat nila day use kasi may swimming pool pala
Ah,
sila.
may swimming pool ganyan.
Oh, nasa swimming pool. May swimming pool sila, guys.
Ah, oo, nakakita pa.
Nice, no? Happy hour.
45 minutes waiting.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Finally, it's our turn, guys. So again, we are here in Kermit Pizza Restaurant. Sobrang daming tao, guys.
Ano ka ba si Al?
So it's almost 9 p.m. Almost 1 hour kaming nagantay. 1 hour, no? Yeah, 45 minutes. I'm so excited to eat pizza.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Server's Pizza.
Okay, our pizza is here, guys. Waiting for other food to come. My friend.
So tired.
Thank you.
Sikot.
Other food is
Sa rice,
here.
Ano? Rice. Ano din?
Unsa na? Chicken.
Chicken.
Grilled chicken.
Rice. Magkamay ba na? Abi ako ako. Ma-rice mo? Or pizza na lang?
Pizza na lang.
Rice?
Pizza na lang. 1 Kermit's pizza, please.
Ali po, pista. Singko na lang.
Ilang taon sa una? Chocolate lava.
Laba, cake na laba ko.
Wait lang ba, big sa...
How's the food?
Sige na pa.
How's the food?
Wow, all is delicious, fantabulous, amazing.
Delicioso.
Yeah, I like the pizza.
Yes, alin pa na. Mabibili sa alin na.
Kermit's pizza.
Ikaw muna, oh. Ikaw muna.
So good.
Mabibili si Alan. With
Tuwang
Julie
namin,
lang.
guys.
Well, gaslay siya sa ano. Eh, 1, 2, 3, no.
Lava mo na dahil, mabuto na. Wala ko yan.
Oh. So, kung mukhaon ka na, you have to pair it with ice cream.
Mura siya o, ano,
Volcano.
dili. Cream.
Guys, we are done. We are going home. It's already 10. Grabe, alas 10 na. Umuulan pa rin. Umuulan. Malakas pa rin ang ulan.
A few moments later.
Guys, nagsugod na. Ay, ka na naman din naggamit. iPad ba? Ay, hindi mo sa ako.
Itong rabaya.
Ate, hi.
Ladog na ko kayo patato, magambay na di kayo.
Matatuloy mo sir, 1K. May naman di kayo natin. Kaya na 2 minutes naman na.
Dali ra kayo. Ako ang lumatag sila binigka-oras.
First time mo, sir?
Yes.
Oh, first time na niya.
First time mo nagtakto sa mga...
Mapakusok.
Tarong nga gina, sir, kaya hindi mag-giving.
Makatug na siya ron.
Kani di akong tato sa kanan.
Ano, may sakit kayo?
Di lang di ko kung tato. Sa mo yung tato niya guys. Boat. Nganong boat?
Yes, because I have no choice.
I'm trying to live in